Hello friends, welcome to Top Notch Tutorials. This is lecture 6 of Quantitative Reasoning. Today we are going to cover some basic topics of geometry. I'll start off with what are parallel lines. So two lines in the same plane that will never intersect or meet at any point are called parallel lines. So in the figure, as you can see, lines L1 and L2 are parallel, and lines L1 and L2 are intersected by line L3 at vertex P1 and P2 respectively, which causes creation of 8 angles, as you can see. At P1, two sets of congruent and opposite angles are created, resulting in the following: x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree. Sum of all 4 angles at P1 is equal to 360 degree. Same is happening at vertex point P2. So corresponding angles and alternate angles are always equal. Our next topic is polygon. A polygon is a figure formed by joining 3 or more line segments. The line segments of the figure are joined to each other by means of their endpoints, which are also called as vertices. Polygon of n sides can be divided into n-2 triangles, which is the simplest polygon having 3 sides. We all know that the sum of measure of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. It means that sum of measure of all the angles of a polygon is equal to n-2 into 180 degree. Regular polygon. It is one whose all the sides and angles are congruent. In such cases, we can easily find the measure of each angle of a polygon if we know the number of sides of polygon. Example: measure of each angle of regular pentagon can be calculated as, see, we know that pentagon has 5 sides, so the sum of measure of all the angles of a regular pentagon will be 5 minus 2 into 180 degree, using formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. So we get it equal to 540. So the measure of each angle of a regular pentagon will be 540 degree upon 5, that is 108 degree. How do we calculate perimeter of a polygon? Perimeter of a polygon is equal to the sum of length of all the sides of polygon. The area of the region enclosed by the polygon is defined as the area of the same polygon. Our next topic is triangle. It is the simplest polygon, a convex polygon. It is created due to intersection of 3 non-parallel line segments. It has 3 sides. ABC in this figure forms a triangle. Some key points about triangles are: each triangle has 3 sides and 3 interior angles. The measure of all 3 interior angles add up to 180 degree. Sum of 2 sides is always greater than the third side. Some special triangles. First, equilateral triangle. एक ऐसा ट्राइंगल जिसके all 3 sides equal है, उसे कहते हैं equilateral triangle. इस ट्राइंगल में all interior angles are equal and thus equal to 60 degree. As shown in the figure, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C equal to 60 degree. These are called as congruent angles. Also, length AB is equal to length BC is equal to length CA. These are called as congruent sides. Therefore, triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Our second type is an isosceles triangle. A triangle with 2 sides equal, that is with congruent sides, is called an isosceles triangle. The angles opposite to the congruent sides are also equal in such a triangle. In the above diagram, angle B is equal to angle C. That is, they are congruent angles. Also, length AB is equal to length AC. Our third type of triangle is a right triangle. A triangle where one of the interior sides is a right angle is called a right angle triangle. The side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. In a right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is used. So the Pythagoras theorem is as follows. The square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. In the above figure, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Since angle ABC is equal to 90 degree, therefore length side AC is equal to hypotenuse. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Isosceles right triangle. When a triangle has one interior angle which is right angle and two sides other than hypotenuse equal, then it is called an isosceles right triangle. In such a case, the sides of the triangle are in the ratio 1:1:√2. As shown in the figure, angle A is equal to angle C is equal to 45 degree. Thus, sides opposite to angle respectively are BC and AB. That is, BC is equal to AB is equal to X. As per Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Therefore, AC square is equal to X square plus X square. Therefore, AC is equal to root of 2x. 30, 60, 90 right triangle. This is half the equilateral triangle. Here, the interior angles are 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. And the sides opposite to these angles respectively are in the ratio 1:√3:2. In the above diagram, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle C is equal to 60 degree and angle B is equal to 90 degree. Thus, sides opposite to angle A and angle B are BC and AC are in the ratio x:2x. By hypotenuse theorem, that is Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. That is 2x the whole square is equal to AB square plus x square. Therefore, AB is equal to √3x. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. What are similar triangles? When the interior angles of two triangles can be matched and yet their sides are not equal but are proportional, then they are called similar triangles. In the diagram, triangle ABC is similar to angle DEF, where angle A is equal to angle D, angle B is equal to angle E and angle C is equal to angle F. Also, AB upon DE is equal to AC upon DF is equal to BC upon EF, since they are in proportion. So yeah, this is all about today's lecture. Thank you for watching the video.